Today I will show you a smart way to change these door rollers. Lift up the door panel and pull out the door carefully. Remove the screw on one side. The screw has dropped down. It can be recovered later. Turn the door to lay horizontally. Rest the end on a block of wood. Now, remove the screw at the other end. Gently tap the end of the roller bar, first at the bottom, then on top. Remove the bar. Replace the roller with the correct matching type. Put back the rubber lining. Nudge the bar in at the bottom, just a little bit. And at the top end, carefully tap the bar to sit. Tape the screw to the screwdriver. Insert and tighten. Turn the door back vertically. Put back the screw at other end.